Even stone can sow the seeds of life. Strength is gentle when it nurtures. Life grows with patience and care. Water brings strength to all living things. Even the largest hands can handle delicate work. Even a titan enjoys teamwork. Beauty flourishes where care is given. Protection is part of nurturing. Even giants nurture the smallest things. Stone hands can cultivate life with care. Care requires patience and attention. Even a titan can teach small lessons. Growth is a shared joy. Even stone guides nature's flow. Even a titan enjoys sharing harvests.
Care extends across distance. Preparation ensures growth.
Even stone touches life with care. Growth is nurtured by light and care. Even stone enriches life with care. Strength clears the way for life. Even giants plant for the future. Guidance helps life flourish. Support lets life grow upward. Life thrives under careful hands. Even giants enjoy small joys. All life deserves care. Flow sustains growth. Even the smallest life matters. Protection ensures life endures. Even a titan nurtures beauty.
Patience helps life take root.
Even stone protects life with care. Even giants watch life grow.
Preparation ensures growth continues.
Strength is measured in what we nurture. Even giants nurture life together. Guidance allows growth to flourish. Even stone aids life with care. Together, even giants and children reach higher. Attention keeps life strong. Care creates beauty everywhere. Strength is shared through teamwork. Even stone witnesses life grow. Flow sustains all living things. Sharing nurtures the spirit. Guidance allows growth upward. Life thrives under careful attention. Preparation ensures growth continues. Even the smallest life matters. All life deserves care. Attention protects growth. Even giants witness beauty every day. Flow brings life to every root. Growth rewards patience and care. Sharing brings joy to all. Care creates beauty everywhere. Preparation nurtures life. Together, we reach higher. Attention ensures life thrives. Even giants nurture beauty. Flow sustains life. Growth rewards patience. Guidance allows growth upward. Life thrives under careful hands. Patience strengthens life. Even giants witness beauty every day. Flow brings life to every root. Strength is measured in what we nurture. Preparation ensures growth.
Even the smallest life matters. All life deserves care. Attention protects growth.